Welcome to our channel. How to connect U Speed Wi-Fi Repeater to your router. Plug in the repeater, insert your U Speed Wi-Fi Repeater into a power outlet placed near your main Wi-Fi router for easy setup. Wait for the power light to stabilize, make sure the power LED on the repeater turns on and stays stable before moving to the next step. Connect your device to the repeater's Wi-Fi on your laptop or mobile. Find and connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Open the repeater's setup page, launch any web browser and type the default IP address, e.g., 192.168.10.1, into the address bar. Log into the admin panel, enter the default username and password, commonly admin for both, to access the repeater settings. Choose the repeater or extender mode. In the mode selection menu, pick repeater mode or Wi-Fi extender mode for extending your signal. Scan for available Wi-Fi networks, let the repeater search for all nearby Wi-Fi networks and select your main router's Wi-Fi from the list. Enter your router's password, carefully type your main Wi-Fi password exactly as it is set on the router to ensure a successful link. Save settings and reboot the repeater, click Save, then allow the repeater to restart so it can apply the new configuration. Place the repeater in the best location, move it to a position halfway between your router and the weak signal area for maximum coverage and performance. Thank you for watching.